8-stall supercharger, Jackson, Wyoming. I'm located in the back parking lot of the Jackson Whole Grocer. Supercharger's located here. And I see we have somebody that is parked in the supercharger spots. 150 kilowatts, got one Model X charging. And it's 150 kilowatts here, located right just in south of downtown in Jackson, Wyoming. I'm located at the Teton County Fair building, and right next to it in the parking lot is a EV charger. It's located just beneath Snow King Mountain, where everybody goes and skis. And it looks like it's a charge point. It looks like a couple J1772s. They won't release until you pay. I'm assuming it's about 7.5 kilowatts. Located right here below Snow King. This is the guest parking. It's located down here. You come down the ramp and you turn right and go 2 turns. One right and another right and another right, and it'll take you to the wall connectors. I am in the basement of Springhill Suites, and there are 3 Tesla wall connectors. They're located in the basement underneath the Springhill Suites. Located in the parking structure, kitty corner from the post office here. Just located in the public free parking structure. And this is a J1772. And again, it's a charge point charger located right here in the front of the parking structure. Located just up from the Simpson entrance. You go left, come up the ramp, and we have 2 charge point DC fast chargers. These look like they have both CHAdeMO or CHAdeMO and CCS plugs. Place to charge 2 cars here. Jackson Public Parking. Around this park is a arch made from elk antlers here. Right adjacent to the elk antlers on the right side here is the charge point. This is a single J1772. It's located right on the curb on the side of the road. This location has 2 double J1772s. It's in the parking lot of the Miller parking lot. It's a free parking lot here in Jackson. So there's one J17. Here's another double J1772. Again, charge point. This is the Hotel Jackson. Located in the parking structure down below is the chargers. Located right here in the corner of the Welcome Center here in Jackson is another charge point J1772. Single J1772, and it's located right in the corner of the Welcome Center. Located right by the laundry of the hotel is a single wall connector with a Tesla plug on it. It says Tesla vehicle charging only. Located behind the hotel.